Dollar Tree. Let me go ahead and show you what they have. It seemed like they stocked up a little bit. Let's take a look. So here we have those mirror peel and stick. Okay, the mirror. Here the butterflies, and they have different kind of decor. So they have these. Okay, so they have the cactus, and then they have these butterflies. And then, guys, they have that llama and the crown. It's my favorite. I think those are clouds. And I think that's a spaceship. I'm not sure. But then they have that pink bling wrap up there, and then the floral tape. You see that? Then you have the cardinal. Then you have these chalkboard stakes here. They go all the way to the top. And I'm not that tall, guys, so... Okay, so then they have the Spanish moss, and then they have the moss stones, as you can see here. So they have it in the natural, and then they have it in the screen, and then they have this whole 3 rows here of reindeer moss. And then here's the glass, guys. Here is the crushed glass. They actually hung these up. That's how many they had. Now here's that humongous wreath, and they have the wreath hangers in the clear, and then here are your fans. So we're gonna do like this, the little craft area here first. Oh, look at what I'm noticing. Oh my goodness, I gotta get 2 of these. This is new. Guys, look at this. This is a square wreath. This is a square wreath. I don't know if you guys can, if I'm showing that right. I'm hoping you can see it. That is definitely new to our Dollar Tree. I'm getting 2. Here we have those plastic vases, tall vases. And I think these are neat. If you're bringing them to an event with kids, this way you don't have to worry about that breaking. Then they brought these seashells back. I like these. These are so cute to decorate with. So you have multiple kinds, and they have plenty. Then we got the bling wrap back. So if this way I can do like going up and down the row. So they got this garden dish. This one looks different than the regular dish that you see. Then you have these wreath forms. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get home to work with these. Okay, then we have these. These are my favorite, burlap with the lace. And then you have some of these foam, floral foams. Then over here you have, like I said, the bling wrap right next to it. And then you have the chevron in black, in white, and in red, and then the polka dots. Then you have some of the bling wrap. Everybody seems to leave the green. There's only one red back here. So then you have some more of the lace and some green, and the darker green in the back. And then here's the jute cord. So guys, you know I always point out what's new, but so we'll go through everything. So these were out, these lacy ones, for a while. They just brought these back, and like I said, these are the colors of the jute cords. We haven't had those in a while either. And they have some more over here. So then they have the glittery ribbon back here, the chevron ribbon over here, and some of these pastels over here. So here's some more floral foams, and the wreath ones down here, these. Okay, and then the regular square ones right here, along with these kind. So then down here you have the seashells, the regular seashells I call them, and then you have this cylinder vase. And right next to that, okay, so this is the flute one. I call this a flute vase. You see that? Because it has that top. Okay, so they have this one. This is the smaller one of their cylinders. Here's the flute vases there, and down here. Then you have this kind of vase. Then you have the shorter one of the cylinder vases. So they just seem to stock up right now. So I came in at a good time. So then these, I call these, aren't they beautiful, these colors, guys? They look, to me, they remind me of gemstones. So they have that kind. Then they have this kind right here. And then they have this kind over here. I don't know if you could see that. I can't pull that out. Then they have these vases right here. Here are the fishbowl vases. I always call them fishbowl vases. This size, so these I already showed you, and look. See? And these have a frosted look to them. And guys, look at these. These are so beautiful. So they brought these candle holders back, at least to this Dollar Tree, and here they are in black. I am so happy I grabbed 2 white. So they have these, and then they have the iridescent ones, and they have this kind. Then they have this kind and some more of those foam wreaths. They have these tea light holders right here. Next to that, these heart ones. And then look at these. I gotta think of something to do with those guys. And then here's some potpourri on the bottom. Some luminescence fresh linen scent right there. Here's some candle holders here. Here are one of my favorites, guys. The square ones, and there are the sashes. So down here you have the glitter glue. And it's okay, so they did bring back the sticker. So I am looking for the clear. I do see the gold. I'm looking for the clear ones. So they have the green, the pink. Here's the gold or yellow. See them? And they have that blue, which is really pretty. They have this red. And then they have them in the hearts. Told you that was new. Here along the side here, guys, these are planner stickers. And then here are the laser stickers. I think these are so gorgeous, guys. Look at them. Then you have some poofy stickers in here. It's almost like you have 3 different kind in here. Then you have these kind of fancy stickers. I love these. Here's the mason jar one. And then the dot ones. And those stickers. And here's planner stickers right here. And I'm pretty sure they have multiple kind. Then they have these, the donuts, these flowers, and the watering cans, and the Martians. And they have the sea animals. Then you have those laser ones up there. Aren't they cute? I love those. Then they have these, but I think these are only in the blue. I use these a lot. Then some more planner stickers. These stickers, they have this kind here. They have that one. Well, that one, yeah, you color them in. Then some more of these. Aren't they adorable? Like this one says today, keep going, important. And then this one here says best day. Love it. Then you have this kind here. Then you have this kind here. Guys, don't mind my fingernails. I hurt my hand, and I had to take my nails off. So I'm healing right now of that. So then we have these washi tape. Then you have some of these paint palettes all the way to the top, guys, with the paint brushes right next to them. So they have these kind of paint brushes, and they have this kind here, and in this color. So they have the 2-pack of the Crayola, and then they have these stencil brushes over here. Here's the palette knife set, and here, guys, is the finger paints all the way to the top. Then you have your glitter glue. Okay, I'm just scanning that for you. And then you have these glitter pens. Then you have the fastener dots. Remember, I point stuff out as I see it new here at this Dollar Tree. So then we have these beads, guys. And then we have the glue sticks in the glitter ones, the multicolor. Then you have the regular glue sticks. Then they have this new thing here called magical adhesive dots. So I think I'm gonna grab one and then see what that's about. Then here you have some sponge dabbers. Okay, then you have these storage containers. Okay, and then those little tiny ones over there. Then you have the googly eyes in the multicolor and the googly eyes in the black, and there's your adhesive glue in the old packaging. Then you have your tube confetti, and you have them in these colors. They're so pretty. Look at this one. And this one, and that one, and then that one up there, guys. But here's your gems in the multicolor, and then you have your sequins. Then some more fastener dots, and then these are your glass beads. And the pink and this green, that's like a purple, and then you have the multicolor beads, and those are the letter ones. Then right next to that, you have those containers. They call them bead containers, and then you have your foam beads right here. Then you have your feathers and your multicolor pom-poms. And then here's your baker's twine over here. There's only like one left there. And this doesn't go here. So what I've been looking for, guys, is the felt letters in the black. I can't find it. So those are your chenille stems and your smaller of the wood dowels. Here's your smaller of your clothespins. Here is like a wooden a wooden craft for the kids. I think this is the one that has the wind chime. Then you have the wooden numbers right here, and then you have your paint palette and some wood cutouts. Okay, then down here you have your chenille stems and your containers, more beads, more of the glue sticks, your tin, some activities here. Okay, and you have some canvas over here, some wood pieces over here, the crosses with the cutout in the center, and then the plain crosses, some of those mousses. Nobody's been grabbing those. Then you have the spray glue that I told you works really good. And they only have the glue sticks for the smaller ones. And then everybody just tore these up. I told you they brought these in, and those have been going quickly. So then they have the canvas and the 8x10. The tacky glue, more of the spray glue, and the two different packagings, and then that neon glitter glue. So guys, I think I covered pretty much everything in the crafters area. It's not a very big area, but I like to tell you everything that we have in case we find something new. And we did. We found these foam rings. Oh my goodness. And then these rings here, this size, because that's new. And some of the stuff that we were out of didn't come back, except for the gems. I'm still waiting for the gems, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.